Hello and welcome to this new video on how to unhide Reddit posts. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of its choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Reddit, and after that just press enter in the keyboard and Reddit will be opened. And in order to unhide a certain post, then you just need to look at the top right corner. There is an avatar icon. Just click on the avatar icon, and after that there is a view profile. Just click on the view profile and your profile section will be opened. And in the top navigation bar you just need to scroll down on the right side and you will be able to see a hidden option. So you just have to click on the hidden option and it will show the post that you have hidden, and this is the post that I had previously hidden. So you just have to look on the right side. There is a 3 button icon. Just click on the 3 button icon, and as you can see there is an remove from hidden option. Just click on the remove from hidden and your post has been removed from hidden. So this is how you can easily unhide Reddit posts. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.